Hi, it's Danny. Welcome to video 1 in a little series of short videos about your shoulder blades. Let's just check in where they are. Not easy to touch, you might have to lean against a wall, but here and here you have your shoulder blades. And the top of the blade is the socket for the humerus to rest into, which is also part of the collarbone coming around here. So collarbone, socket and blade. Let's elevate and drop. So lift, relax your head and neck with a little movement, and then slowly release. Elevating the blades, good upper trapezius exercise, good shrugs in the gym with weights or with bands. Without forcing, exaggerate the downward push, the depression, the downwards. Don't force that one, but just get a sense of the extreme there. There's an extreme up and down. But just feel and sense blades moving over the ribs. If we just do one side, just check the collarbone here. It goes from pretty horizontal to quite high. So just, you can even use your own finger on one side for a single or double, but get a sense of that V coming in. Right at this joint here. Nice shoulder girdle articulation, part of the function here. Let's release that, let's shake out. That's it for today. Please be sure to check out other short videos in this series. Thanks for joining in.